So last week I had just put up the battens for the one shelf. I've now put up all three. I've also put in the corner bits and leaving enough space for the thickness of the shelf to actually just slide in there like that. That's all it's going to be used, is just the same stuff as on the floor and on the ceiling. And all I've got left to do is put some more, once the shelves are actually in, just put some more of the corner bits up on this side. And I may possibly put some more corner bits up here. I may put some up around the top there. The sheets went long enough, so all I've done is just jimmied it basically. But it's all going to be painted the same colour, and you're not really going to notice it, to be honest. But what I'm going to do now is actually cut the three shelves out, pre-fit them, and then we'll get it painted.
Let's go make something.
And 9, 10, and just seeing if it's kind of square. We will measure at the front here. 9. Oh, hey, that actually might be square. Why didn't the rest do that? So I put the bottom shelf in, and now I can't get it out. It is in there so tight, and it's such a good fit, it's staying in there. We're going to paint around it. And just to hide the front, I've just cut some trimmings, just a bit of wood trimming, and we'll just put that on front of it, just to hide that it's MDF. And that will just tidy that up. Yes, I got one because discussion in last video. Painting, my favourite. Yes, that was sarcasm. Paula usually does the painting, however, she didn't want to be, because the shelf here is in and I'm not getting it out. There is not an open heel of me getting that out, so we had to work around it. Just put a piece here. Well, that's going to shorten the video down, isn't it? You don't even have to cut it. Okay, That was a lucky find. So what we'll do now then, so I'm not even putting up a stop mark, I'm just using a mark on the base. This is a mess. I'm down 60, 60. And I see that was 600, didn't I? So therefore we want. Fine. They just filling it nice and tightly, like so. Need more ammo. A little bit hard for it to fire with no ammo, isn't it? And you can hang other stuff up there. Okay, that's it for the linen cupboard. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And remember to click the notification bell icon. That way you'll be notified when I upload a new video. You can find us on most social media, including Google+, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter and Instagram. Please also consider supporting me on Patreon. See you next time.
Don't forget to go and make something.